Hi guys and girls, I'm Farbega and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to do kinetic sand without sand, with corn. And why with corn? Because it's more easier to find the corn flour. And it's better because you can do it wherever you want, and with the sand, no. We will need salt, oil, water, and most important, corn flour. Don't buy cornstarch, corn flour, please. First, put the corn flour in the bowl. Make sure you have the form of a volcano with the crater. If you put a lot of flour, you will have a lot of kinetic sand, and like that. But keep something to later, because if you had a mistake, you can solve it with that flour.
Recuerda hacer un hoyo en el centro del volcancito.
Then put the salt in the crater of the volcano, and a lot of salt, please. Then you have to put the half of the volume of the flour with water. Remember, don't put a lot of water because you will have a very sticky dough. Then you have to mix it all. Remember to mix everything well. If it doesn't mix, put more water, but a little bit of water, please. When your dough is like in the video, put on a little bit of oil to make them mix very well, like a single element. Then if you want to color it, it's better to use liquid colorants, but you can use whatever you want. Fjallor orsnoxis animal. Fjallor orsnoxis animal. Fjallor orsnoxis animal. When you have finished your dough, you can do satisfying videos like this. Finally, if you want to, you can keep it in a jar to play with it later. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, put a like. If you don't like it, put a dislike, but comment why did you not like it. And subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Watch it for company, and goodbye.